What's going on, stackers? So today I got some pretty cool stuff to show you. I'm going to show you how you can start making $100 per day and you don't need any experience whatsoever. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how you can start making some moolah online. So go and hit subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, how are we going to be making this $100 per day? Well, it's actually pretty simple. We're going to be doing arbitrage, and we're going to be using the website or utilizing the website called Upwork.com. Now, if you don't know what Upwork is, it's a freelance website. You can go here to find work. You can go here to post jobs. It's just one of the biggest freelancing websites out there. Now, how is this going to help you? You're probably thinking, what am I going to do here? I don't know anything. I just want to make some money. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First, on this website, you want to find jobs, okay? So how do we do this? First of all, we go here to the search bar. Click that little arrow and go to jobs. It's that simple. Then click search. Now, obviously, you are going to have to sign up to this website first before you can start applying for these jobs. Now, once we've done that, what I just showed you, you want to come over here to the filters. So we click that, and what we want to do is find the jobs that have a fixed price. So these are one-off jobs which are going to pay you to do one job. So we're going to click that. And then we're going to click filters again just to get rid of that. Now this is going to pull up all the jobs which are one-off jobs, okay? That way it finds it easier to find these jobs and then you can apply for them. And I'm going to show you how to outsource these works for different jobs. So what you can now do is scroll down, have a look at all the jobs available. This one's virtual assistant, that's only at $5. Creative SEO friendly content and blog writer required, $30 budget. Creative writer needed for content creation. Now what I've already gone and done is find some of these jobs. I've already found some, and then I'm going to show you where you can actually outsource these. So the first one I found was a quality logo designer wanted. Now they're willing to pay $60 for this job. So what you could do was apply for this job and then outsource it to Fiverr. Now I'm sure you've probably heard of Fiverr. Fiverr is another kind of micro freelancing website. But you can use this to your advantage and use this to do the jobs on Upwork. Okay, so do you see the potential behind this? All you're doing is becoming the middleman. So what you could do is apply for this job, then if you get it, they're going to pay you $60 and you simply go over to Fiverr, find a good logo designer and have it outsourced. Then once this is finished, once they've done your design over on Fiverr, you simply take that over to Upwork, give it to your client and then you get paid. Now you do have to go out of pocket doing this. But it is worth it because you can make some serious profit in the process. Also, when you first sign up to Upwork and start applying for jobs, it's going to be quite hard to actually get approved to do a job. But once you start getting the ball rolling, start doing more jobs, then it's going to be a hell of a lot easier to apply for jobs further down the line. It just takes a little bit of work to get up and running. Now another job I've also found is an Instagram growth management and influencer management needed for luxury transportation client. Now, they're willing to pay you $400 for this job. Now, again, with Fiverr, you can outsource this. As you can see, I will Instagram growth the right way. I will be your Instagram growth expert. I will be your Instagram management expert. There's loads of really good sellers on Fiverr that know what they're doing when it comes to Instagram. So you can apply for this job, and if you get that job, again, you can just outsource it to Fiverr. Pretty simple, right? Now, you can do this a few times a month, a few times a week, and you can actually make some serious money from doing this. Now, another job that I also found was a US article writer needed. Now, how much are they willing to pay for this job? Well, $100. Where can you outsource this? Well, with writing jobs, you can use iWriter. iWriter, you can get articles, blog posts, press releases, ebooks, Kindle books, Amazon reviews, cover letters, and much more. And if we go to the pricing, it is actually really reasonable. You can use the Premium, Elite, or the Elite Plus. I would stay away from Standard. And if you ever use iWriter, when you're hiring an iWriter, you want to say that this will be passed through Copyscape. Now, Copyscape is just to ensure that your article is unique. You need to write that, otherwise you might get a writer that might try and take stuff from somewhere else online. Just by saying it is going to be ran or passed through Copyscape, then you know you will be getting a unique article. But again, an article writer needed, we can apply for this job. If we got the job, we can just use iWriter to outsource it. Now, I've also found another job that you could potentially apply for, and that is SEO link building. So they're willing to pay you $500 if you're an experienced SEO expert for quality PR and link building. Where can we outsource this if we applied for this job? Pretty simple, Fiverr. So if you type in SEO link building, you're going to find a lot of gigs on here, and you can use this as the outsourcer. So again, pretty simple. This is just arbitrage. A lot of people make a lot of money online just by utilizing this method. Now, there is another website that you can use for your outsourcing needs, and that website is Online Jobs PH. Now, a lot of the workers on here are from the Philippines, which means you can outsource your stuff for very, very cheap. Main reason being, the way of life over in the Philippines is a hell of a lot cheaper out there than it is over here. Now, you can get some really great workers on Online Jobs PH for really cheap. So, if you're really looking for a way to make money, then try out arbitrage with Upwork, because there's jobs posted every single day which you can apply for, and then just simply go and outsource that work, becoming the middleman and then keeping that profit. So obviously, if this job is charging $400, you want to find someone who can do it for $100, $200, and then you get that done, and then you keep that profit. So they're going to pay us $400 to do this. We find someone to do it for $200, and then we pocket that difference, which would be $200 profit. Really simple, really easy strategy, and you can do this with no experience. Just remember, when you do first sign up for Upwork, you're going to have to get that experience on here before it starts to get easier and easier. But once you've started applying for jobs and getting the jobs done, getting a good feedback, then everything just becomes easier. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.